here are all of you. So you'll see that by joining the CDA, we have this cohort, which will work together and grow together in, but you're also joining a wider community. And so you are the green dots that appear on the map. And especially as we move through the program, and once you finish the program, you'll be connected up with all these other people who are also working on participatory climate democracy around the world. And now I'll pass over to Amanda to speak a bit about people-powered and what our organization does.
Thank you, Zoe. Thank you all for everyone joining us today. We are really excited to welcome you to the third cohort of the Climate Democracy Accelerator. As Zoe mentioned, I'm Amanda Luz. I'm the Learning Programs Manager at People Powered. And I'll tell you a little bit more about us, People Powered, and why we are hosting this accelerator program. People Powered is a global hub for participatory democracy, working to build capacity, resources, and community. Our mission is to expand public participation in government decisions. In other words, we help advocates and governments like you to directly include community members in making the decisions that affect their lives, using different approaches of participation, deliberation, and decision-making. So what do? We know that there's a lot of information and content out there. What we do with programs like the Climate Democracy Accelerator today is connect you with step-by-step and accessible content, resources, and training developed with partners and experts within our community. And you can now make use of this action-oriented training, mentorship, and programs to create solutions that are innovative and that address your unique context and community needs. I'm looking forward to see the projects that you will create in the next few months. And I'm here with Zoe to support you along this journey. So welcome again. I'll now hand over to Jose Marin from OGP to tell you a little bit more about OGP Local's work on climate.
Hi, everybody. Thank you so much, Amanda and Zoe. It's a real pleasure to be here with you as we are partnering with People Powered on this great project and working together and many others. So I am Jose Maria Marin, and I am the lead of OGP Local. I just wanted to highlight the importance of the work that you're doing here and the importance of the work that the CDA program is doing. So OGP Local is a program that supports government, civil society, and citizens to work together and tackle difficult challenges, both in terms of promoting transparency, but also participation. Now we have a wide network of members, more than 140 right now, of local governments. And in their commitments, we have seen that a large percentage, actually 33% of these commitments, are about promoting public participation. And even more, we continue to see the importance of climate change as one of the topics for local government. So these are very important points of reference for you. And this should not surprise us. Governments that are at the local level and these local jurisdictions produce quite a bit of greenhouse gases and also global waste, but also they represent a lot of the global energy demand. So that means that local governments really have a great position to be able to make a dent and make a difference in the climate change problem. Now, this big problem requires difficult decisions and requires a lot of innovation. And as I just mentioned before, this desire of local governments to work with and have more participation makes it a perfect setting for you all to be able to engage with your governments and with your civil society to be able to identify in a better way what's the problem and how it manifests at your jurisdiction and what solutions can be made. So last point to say about this is that in the past 10 years of open government partnership, we have seen how citizen engagement with governments does deliver better policies because this participation makes sure that those policies are responsive and they meet the needs and the problems of the local stakeholders, but also make sure that that implementation follows through, and has better results. So with those messages, I want to welcome you as well and to let you know that we will continue to work hand in hand and find ways in which we can share all the lessons and great work that you're going to be doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jose. I would now like you to have a look at the faces on the screen who are our expert committee and our mentorship committee who will be supporting you throughout the program, and hand over to Aluchi to say a few words of welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you, Amanda, and everyone. I hope you can hear me. Can you hear me? Okay. So I'm here to quickly introduce the expert committee. And the essence of the expert committee, is essentially to guide you. We represent a range of experiences, expertise, geography, and interest across the globe. And we are here to support you as you walk through the participation playbook and design your action plan. So essentially, we're here to mentor. From the faces, you can see that, it's a widespread of experience and everything. So we are here to mentor you, and each one is assigned to a mentor to offer guidance, reflection, and support, and to think through the choices you have to make. And as you go through the participatory climate democracy program. And essentially the essence, is we are here to make sure that at the end of it all, you will enjoy your time as a member of this cohort, and we're there to offer you the guidance that you need. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Aluchi. And I'll be in touch with you in the next couple of days to let you know who your mentor will be from the list and how you'll be able to learn together.